Okay guys, look at my ivy has a friend. Aloe vera. They are BFF. The aloe vera is doing great too in one pot with my ivy. I'm going to show you on how tall my ivy is, okay? That's the base. Go up, 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 up. And my ivy releases water. Did you see that water right there on the tip of the leaves? Ooh wee, that's beautiful. Go up, 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 and see how tall my ivy is. It's looking healthy. And it go up, up, up. Look at that leaves. That's humongous leaves. Today is May 3rd. I'll give you an update in maybe couple weeks and see how tall my ivy is. Almost at the ceiling, okay? Alright, here we go. Hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I love that water dripping right there.
The ivy has aloe vera, a best friend. How tall they are. And look at that big leaf.
And
It's going to grow on the plastic that we had from our balloon. Or from balloons, but Daddy got them all.
guys, I just want you to see what's the progress on my ivies. It's been a while. It's been 2 weeks. Here we go. And today we are going to measure one of the leaves. Okay, and see how many inches. Especially this one right here. That's a big one. And look, it's all the way to the ceiling. Okay, so hang on. Let's measure these leaves. Okay, I think it's 8. I think that's 8. 8.5. Okay, and this way. So it's pretty much 5.5 by 8.5. Wee! That's pretty cool, right? Yeah, it's all the way to the ceiling. So update has been made on these ivies. And here we go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.